how about some fun bonus content here? So there was supposed to be a bucket truck coming to my house to get repaired, and that lady was picking her nose. But anyway, there's supposed to be a bucket truck coming, and I got a call. He didn't exactly make it. Sounds like a front U-joint broke or let go and tore a bunch of shit up. So we're in the tow truck, the old bub here. We're gonna go save the day, I guess, or we're gonna break this truck trying to pull this humongous other truck. And either way, it might be something watchable. Make sure I ain't got one. It's a nice bucket truck. I mean, it was registered last in 18, so you know it's good. Kind of a humorous backstory on this whole thing. And the guy that is broke down, I worked for him a long time ago, and he was one of these guys that was real big on getting to work on time. Like, I don't know what his deal was, but anyway, one day I was going to work, gonna be perfectly on time, and old Jim here decided he was gonna chuck a drive shaft and pretty much end that. So I had to call this guy to come pick me up that day, and so it's kind of fun how this has come full circle. Everyone talks shit on Asen transmissions. This might be the last run for this one, because bucket truck, and we got a big old hill to get up. Because all he's done for years is talk shit about the day a Chevrolet had to pull my Dodge into work.
Now, I'm not 100% sure if my transmission's ever going to work again, but gotta hand it to it. It's a lot of shit to pull up a hill and 12 miles. So yeah, stick around for, it's going to be some bucket truck stuff in the near future. She's super nice. It's also heavy.